at my good friend Chef Markus's restaurant, Koloman, here in New York City, to learn how to make a Michelin star-worthy dish for Richard. The thing is, Richard's an amazing cook, and he really doesn't let me into the kitchen that much. Markus doesn't know that my cooking skills lead back all the way to the 1830s when I once made a meat pie. Haven't really done much since. So today, I've got to stay sharp as a knife. I've got my work cut out for me. People are already here. Ah!
Oh my God.
Wait, am I properly dressed? Do I get the role? Is this what?
This is the perfect chef for the meat station.
Really?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, perfect.
My cooks will be thrilled.
I was expecting you to be like, absolutely not. Those are not appropriate shoe choices.
No, I think it's gonna be okay. We're not gonna drop any knives today, so it will be okay.
Oh, it's so high.
What are you doing? Getting ready for service?
I'm balancing my chakras so I can make a balanced meal.
I think it would be great a sales point tonight.
Great.
Come in. This way. So this is for you?
Hi.
You wanted to do a chicken cordon bleu, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
That was Richard's request.
Because he likes chicken cordon bleu?
Also, can we just have a moment here? Can I have the camera, please? Look at how they accidentally matched today. Look at.
And I just went to H&M and bought a new t-shirt today, just for this. Can you believe that? I pulled that out of the closet. Did you ever butcher a chicken?
No.
No? You know, chicken cordon bleu comes with the whole shebang.
Right.
With the chicken. So
I'm gonna do
you stay here for 1 second.
Okay.
I'm gonna get something for you. Can you handle that? For sure you can.
He looks so perfect.
Okay, let's do it. Give you a chance to explore that part, to break down a chicken. Don't be shy, okay? All right, you're gonna follow my steps. You know how to handle a knife? Okay.
I mean, I know how to hold one in my hand and look really creepy while doing it.
Cut down the leg here, okay?
But wait, the little arm isn't, oh, I'm not holding it right.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Now we're gonna break some bones. Just take the leg and go like this. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can think. Oh,
There you go.
yeah.
We're just gonna cut between the leg bone and the meat. Just cut down. There you go.
Hey, that was a lot easier. I had no idea how to do that.
Step one is done. And now we're gonna do the breast we're gonna need for the cordon bleu. Let's take the skin off, okay? Just go with your fingers gently underneath and just take the whole skin off. I'm gonna take that leg off as well, just in case. I'm gonna help you in a second.
The whole thing today, I'm gonna have you plate both of our dishes. And then I want Richard to do a taste test and figure out whether he can tell whose is whose.
He should know.
I think he's gonna know. I think he's
If it
gonna
doesn't,
know.
then,
He's
you know.
gonna know.
Break this as well. All right, we're gonna take off the wings quickly here, and now you're the same stage as I am.
You've got me on my toes on that one.
There's the bone right here. We're gonna go on the side of the bone, gently cut down.
Oh, wait. Oh, man. I already
that's
missed.
good.
Okay.
That's good. Then just look over here as well, what I'm doing.
I have never filleted anything.
Maybe you should go flat on your feet now. There you go. That was quite easy, huh?
Okay.
All right, we have our breast. We're gonna put this back in the fridge, and then we're
Amazing.
gonna start making our filling. This is the chicken tender, what it normally is supposed to be in any Irish pub when you have like late night chicken tenders.
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to be actually.
That makes so much sense. Also, it flattens out the breast.
And then we have to make our cordon bleu, but now we're gonna have to do something a little bit more tricky.
Here's the
So
work.
we're gonna just cut a little pocket in here. So that's gonna be the tricky part. Don't cut yourself, you know?
Why did you have to choose
Those insurance
the
claims are
hardest
wild.
thing, Rich?
Okay?
He takes knives away from me because I'm not doing them properly. Markus is thinking to himself, I want to do that too. It's okay, Ashlee. I don't know.
There you go. Okay. Careful. Yes, this is called butterfly.
We've got the hammer.
We got the hammer.
Mallet, the full
mullet.
stuff.
So we're just gonna put this on top. But gentle, okay? If you're gonna go too hard, the whole chicken is gone. Gentle, okay? Go ahead.
Like that?
Yeah.
That sounds
a little
good.
bit further, a little bit more pressure. We have this ready. Just take the meat and put it on the plate here. You're good with salt, you're good with pepper.
I know
You
what
like-
those things are.
So we're gonna season it with a little bit of salt,
All right.
a little bit of pepper.
Salt swan. Oh, okay. I wasn't overdoing it.
No.
Yours looks beautiful though. It's just like he does it in one look. Look at that.
But I mean, I would be
Look
actually a
at
little bit
that.
upset if yours would look better, to be honest.
Okay.
The trick always is this. You're gonna hold the pepper meal like this, not like this. You know why? Because you don't see what's coming out of it. So
Yeah.
not going to be enough or it's going to be too much.
I think my
You know what really helps too?
Huh.
If there's actually pepper in there.
Oh. Do I do both sides?
Yeah, one side is fine. Cheese and ham, no? That's cordon bleu. Normally it's like cooked ham, but I wanted to try something else. This is Lady Addison ham from North Carolina. And it's something which I love. It's like almost like prosciutto,
Yeah.
which is better. And it's American too.
Amazing.
It's really delicious. So I think we're just gonna take
Beautiful.
a little bit of the cheese, put it flat here.
The last time I cooked, I was in the 1830s, and in order to make my milk, essentially for the cheese, I had to milk my own cows, and I churned my own butter, and I did make a meat pie. So this is also meat, and I feel like I'm advancing. I'm catching up to modern day.
Then we're gonna have a little bit of the ham.
Okay, ham.
Ham and
Yes.
cheese, you just put it in the middle there too. Let's not put the plastic
This is
on.
beautiful.
That would ruin the meal.
Tasty.
And then we have to somehow make it stay in there without leaking out when we cook it.
So as like a Michelin rated restaurant, what is it like to be a sous chef, or like, I mean, what does it feel like to be a head chef and like have a whole team behind you every night that you have to like orchestrate, right? It's almost as if you're the conductor.
Yes, it is in a lot of ways, but I just love the energy to build a team and when everything fires on all cylinders in the kitchen. Like you said, you have meat, fish, entremetier, cold kitchen over there. Everything comes together at the same time. It's like, I don't know, when you can stand on a bottle of champagne for half an hour. I don't know how long you're gonna do this. But it's magical, and I have a great team. I have chef de cuisine, I have a sous chef, I have a chef de partie at every station, and they figure it out. I'm not cooking everything myself, but I'm a part of the creative process, and I love to do service and see the guests right here.
This is one of the coolest restaurants, and like Rich and I always love bringing our friends here because not only is it amazing, like every time it's also so cool and so amazing to get to watch you do what you do.
Thank you.
And it's just inspiring.
Yeah, it's fun. You flipped it over?
Yes,
Excellent.
but you're right. I see how mine could be tucking it in for Betty.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is show you a little trick here.
Yeah,
So you're gonna
okay.
put it back on the board,
Okay.
and then you're just gonna pound the edges quickly here.
Oh, it's hammer time. Let's hope for the best. Richard, it's gonna taste amazing, I promise.
It's gonna be enough, otherwise
Okay. Otherwise, I'm
we're
just
gonna lose our
Yeah.
patient here. We're gonna do the breading now.
Okay, so all these ingredients like look amazing. How do you go about finding what like ingredients you want to use?
When we have some companies we work for a long time and they have a bulk of the ingredients we need, but specialty items like, you know, just some meat, some fish, and some vegetables. I have farmers from upstate and all around America, they're delivering this for me. Free market is a great thing. Union Square is right around the corner. So we're gonna go there for inspiration. We're gonna buy a few things. I'm not buying everything from there, but it's, you know, the garnishes, some vegetables in season, peaches are right now. It's beautiful. But it's about, you know, we have about 120 vendors just for the food. And then we have about the same and more for the wine. So there's a lot of moving parts. Okay, and now we're gonna bread it. That's gonna be the fun part. We can do this, swirled eggs.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm way more out of my element than I expected to be. I expected like, oh no. Is that good?
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah, more.
A little more.
Oh.
That's good. This is the best lane or best street, we call it in Austria, in the world. The breading street, they call it in Austria. It's flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So just, you know how this works? You did this before. You did some chicken tenders before, I guess? No? That's not, you're not gonna eat chicken tenders, yeah? Don't you? You don't eat a lot of breaded stuff.
I was not taught how to cook when I was a kid. Great cook as a husband, so you know he like cooks everything, and I don't know what I'm doing. He doesn't let me do anything for him. Is this right? Wait.
Okay, go ahead, let it fall in here, and then we're just gonna shake this like that. But now gently press the breadcrumbs all around, so it's sealed. Just go in there, just cover it with the breadcrumbs.
Oh, okay.
I hope you can find it afterwards.
I know.
Let me just check here for 1 second.
go for it.
There's a couple of problematic spots here. You know, we have to cover. The trick is as well, just put it back one more time in the egg to make sure you have enough.
My chicken is a problem. It's okay, buddy.
We
You're
have a
doing
problem
great.
here. Good.
Thank you.
Well done. So this is your favorite dish, Richard, really?
Yeah.
Besides the foie gras?
I think this is the first dish I learned how to make.
I can't wait to eat it. I bet it tastes amazing.
We're done with this station for now. We're gonna clean this up. After it's cooked, we're gonna come back here. This is Florian. He's my meat cook.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm Ashlee. What are you cooking over there?
Some duck breast.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Is this the best champagne we have? Of course it is, no?
It is the best.
Okay, great.
By the glass.
Good answer.
One of the old.
Just before we start cooking, let's make sure we fill the glass up.
Chug.
We're gonna cook the cordon bleu in a little bit of vegetable oil, fresh butter at the end, and thyme and garlic. All right, cheers. You as well. Cheers. Cheers. All right, let's get cooking.
How long does it take to prepare everything you do before like service?
I would say to build the station, it takes about an hour and a half. Make sure all the meat is prepared, all the sauces are done. You grill the salad, the chicken are rested well, about an hour and a half.
So when you put something in hot oil,
Yes.
you know the rules?
First time for me.
Away from your body, away from your hands, and very slowly, okay? So when you put this in,
I'm so nervous right now.
so we're
I
gonna
was
put
wondering
this
what that was. I was like, oh, it's just dirty
Okay.
water. No, that's oil. Okay.
gentle and slow.
Okay.
Very slow, okay?
Okay.
Away from you, yes. Oh my God, you're natural. Perfect, you did well. So let's hope for the best that they're not gonna open up.
So what happens if it opens up?
You're fired. That's the simple. Sorry.
Understandable.
It looks good, it looks very good. We're gonna just finish it. We're gonna put the butter in there to get the flavor.
Okay.
A little bit of garlic and thyme. It's you, I'm not cooking for you. You're cooking for me.
Okay. I put it in that?
Yes,
thing.
gentle as well, okay? Just the butter, put it in there.
The butter was like the most thing I was worried about, so
Yeah.
I just did it
Let it fall
anywhere?
in there. Good,
Okay.
great.
And then
This, perfect. Now you're gonna get this beautiful buttery flavor, but don't cook it too long, otherwise the butter is gonna burn and then you have all these black dots all around the meat and you don't want. We're gonna have another minute or so, and then Florian will take this out for us.
and then we put the thyme in, or do I put the
Time as well, yeah. If you have time, it would be great.
Right.
All right, let's go back there.
He's doing the true work for me. He's taking it out of the oil because that's the really hard part.
Is it cooked enough, or do we need to put it in the oven for a little bit? It's a big
Big one, huh?
big boy.
That was cool.
Wanna try?
I mean, what am I supposed to know?
Make sure to put it as close to the center of
To
the
the
whole
center.
thing as possible.
So like,
Leave it in there for like a second or two, and then like just very gently touch it on your bottom lip. Careful, it might be hot.
oh,
And when you get a bubble on your lip, it's too hot.
that makes sense.
Richard, do you like fries normally with your cordon bleu, or what are you normally eating with that?
It's up to Ashlee.
It's up to me.
I like fries, but I don't like fries for cordon bleu because it's breaded, and then you have.
Oh yeah.
My aunt back home in the hotel where I grew up, we always had like a side dish of salad, which was like a little bit of potato salad, a little bit of cucumber, bib lettuce, and tomatoes fresh.
That sounds
And then we
perfect.
served this with that, and a little bit of lingonberries, and that's it. Let's do that. I know exactly which one is mine and which one is yours, but I think Richard has to figure that one out. We're gonna make a beautiful European style mixed
Now,
salad.
Richard, this is green stuff. Do you want green stuff in it? As it's garnish, it's garnish. These are so pretty and cute though. Can we just appreciate how
Yes,
adorable they are? It's so good.
So we're just gonna cut some red onions, but really thin, okay? Because I don't
Okay.
want to have too much.
Do you want the red onions in it?
No red onions for you? The date night? We're gonna leave it off. I would have never done onions anyway. What we have here already is a little bit of cucumber salad.
Oh, that
It's
looks
almost like,
beautiful.
you know, a little tzatziki style. We have like salted cucumbers, then we get all the water out, a little sour cream dill. So we're gonna put this on one side, okay? Then next to,
There we go.
we're gonna put the potato.
Delicious.
We have some tomatoes with a little bit of champagne vinegar with some pepper on it, a little bit more olive oil. We'll mix that together. So it's nice and fresh. Beautiful sun-gold tomatoes.
Gorgeous. Look at that.
Bib lettuce. We're gonna use the same vinaigrette. Can't be too much champagne, no?
No, never too much champagne.
We're gonna put this just right here. Olive oil. Then your green stuff. We call them chives.
Amazing.
Okay, so this is the side dish for the cordon bleu. Now it's your turn. A little bit of the cucumber. And no red onions, please, okay?
No red onions. Okay. Tots. Tots. See this? I feel like it would be my forte.
The salad and then the chives, no? There you go.
There. This I can do. Look at that.
That's good.
I
That's
did
great.
that. Amazing.
And now we're gonna hope that the meat is good, the cheese is melted.
I am praying.
Let's pray.
Praying that my...
Lord help us. Cut it in the middle.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put these 2 pieces on the plate. Is it cooked?
Looks cooked.
It looks cooked.
It looks good.
It looks good too.
Hey,
All right, well done.
Okay.
Just let's put it on the plate here.
that looks much better.
A little lemon on there. Yes.
Good? Or should I keep going?
I think you were supposed to put the lemon on the side.
That's fine. But this looks really good. That's very Jamie Oliver of you.
Whoops, sorry, you're gonna know which one's which.
Do you like lingonberries or no? You do, okay. I love that sweet and sour, so there you go. It looks great, well done.
Do you think he's gonna like it? Do you think he's gonna know which one is which?
Yeah, he's tough to please, I know.
It's-
He's very critical, but I think you did a good job.
Very critical, right?
Yeah,
He's judging my dish. I don't think he likes that one.
yeah, you know. It's learning by doing.
I have zero problem with trying my chicken. This is me to figure out how I did. I get to be my own biggest critic, right? Day 1 of real fancy cooking, is that it? Otherwise, I'm like condemned back to the 1830s. If I fail today, this is gonna be such a pain to my heart. I'm pretty sure I like kind of failed, but like if my food at least is edible, that is a win for me. It really is.
Okay, am I ready? I haven't had my own food in a very long time. I made some pancakes once, but they tasted like crepe. So I really hope this tastes like chicken cordon bleu. I'd eat it. I think I was very well taught. If I were to give myself
Do it for you.
I felt like I really sold it perfectly fine. What?
So better.
Why? How is it so much better? Actually, though, how is it so much better? It's like so fine comparatively to mine. I was like, no, that tastes the same ingredients. It's gonna be like totally the I don't understand.
Well, obviously I didn't win this one, but I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and huge thank you to Koloman NYC. I am so grateful to you, Markus. This was so much fun. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Love you.
Right.